Nana. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my channel, you can learn sewing tips step by step. Beginners, no worries, so easy. I will show you every step. Today, I want to show how I shorten this dress. First, you need to figure out the original skirt length. Measure the side seam. This gown has 46 inches. I've got so many silky dresses and I made this chart from customer reviews as a cheat sheet. I hope this helps you to find out your perfect length. But we all have different bodies, so please measure your skirt length as well. This dress owner's height is 161 centimeters and she wants it on her ankle. She is between, so I'm gonna make it 37.5 inches. Original skirt length 46 minus 37.5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.5. Yes, I hate calculating, so I always do this instead. Don't forget to leave half an inch for seam allowance. So I will cut 8 inches. Now make a mark at 8 inches from the hem with a sewing pen all the way around the skirt. I draw some sharp lines first and then connect everything. And done! Ironing before marking line or cutting. This little tip makes it so much easier to cut and hem, ending in a better result. I spray water to steam. Ironing is set for cotton. Okay, finally cutting. To cut fabric, use fabric scissors. Put the scissor tip on the surface to cut. Like this. Now cut. The first cut always makes me nervous. And done! Change your sewing machine foot to this rolled hem foot. This is family wide. It usually doesn't come with a sewing machine, so you'll need to buy separately. This is a total game changer. I highly recommend it. Before sewing, cut the seam edge. I don't know what they're called, but it's like that, about 45-ish degrees. Double fold the hem and start sewing. My hand is in the way. I fired my camera guy. Okay, let's change the camera angle. Much better. Start the hem roll like this. We are going to backstitch a little bit. Then start feeding forward. Use your fingers to guide the fabric, keeping the roll nice. Continue looking at the middle part of the foot to make sure the folded width is even while sewing. Look, another seam bump. Cut the seam edge again. And fold. Use tweezers to keep it folded. Super helpful when you have long nails. keep it folded and sew. Do not pull, just hold. Hold the fold. Can you say hold the fold? When the needle is past the shim, you don't need to use tweezers anymore unless you want to. See, it's so nice and clean. Cutting the shim edge makes it flat and nice. Just keep sewing, just keep sewing, just keep sewing, sewing, sewing. We are coming back to the first bumpy. The shim will stick into the foot if you kept sewing, so keep the needle down, pull the foot up, remove the fabric from the roll guide, then sew. Don't forget back stitch. Yay, it's done. See, it wasn't that hard, right? This took less than an hour but took me 10 times longer to edit this video. I hope this helps you. Please tell me how it was in the comments, and please support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and watching more videos. I will upload more soon. Thank you for watching.